Hello student. The next footsteps to follows the topic is on the Dr. Varghese Kurian, and last lecture we have seen this Hargobind Khurana. You know very well this Hargobind Khurana. We have seen their importance of footstep follows. Khurana is a genetic code of the India. His work on the molecular biology. So the Varghese Kurian is known the person the Amul, that is white revolution. म्हणजे जे दूध आहे किंवा दुधापासून जे वेगवेगळे बाय प्रॉडक्ट आहे ते बाय प्रॉडक्ट कशा प्रकारे तयार करायचे. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल अमूल हे अमूल जगामध्ये फेमस एक मिल्क प्रॉडक्ट आहे आणि हे अमूल त्यालाच आपण व्हाईट रिव्होल्यूशन या नावाने ओळखले जाते. ते दुसरे कोणी नसून तर वर्गीज कुरियन आहे. बेसिकली वर्गीज कुरियन ट्रूली फॉर मोस्ट सक्सेस स्टोरीज they have opportunities don't come to us often, and even if they do appear many of times, one fails to capitalize on them. Great people create their own opportunities. The Varghese Kurian is born on 26 November 1921 in a Syrian Christian family at Kozhikode in Kerala. He graduated in physics from Madras in 1940 and then did the B in mechanical engineering, and he went to the USA and earned his Master of Science in metallurgical engineering from Michigan State University. In between he completed the special studies in engineering at the Tata Iron and Steel Company Institute of Jamshedpur in Bihar. In February 1946, he underwent 9 months of specialized training in dairy engineering at the National Dairy Research Institute of Bangalore. And he graduated in physics after that. In 1948, when he doing this master degree in engineering, he got their distinctions. The Indian social entrepreneurships and social activist, the Dr. Varghese Kurian, he got the many awards, and one award got from there. That was the President of India, Dr. K.R. Narayanan. He is an inspirational leader, father of the white revolution in India, then architect behind the success of the largest dairy development program in the world, and chairman of the National Dairy Development Board and the Gujarat Cooperative Milk, the Marketing Federation Limited. He published various books in different journals, in national and international journals. Varghese Kurian in 2005 had a dream. These first books he published. Then 1997 an unfinished dream, Tata McGraw-Hill, the man who made the elephant dance. That is autobiography of Kurian in the voice of Tom After with audio forward by Ratan Tata in his own voice. Varghese Kurian, the man with the billion-liter idea, Amar Chitrakat. This is the books of their Varghese Kurian who is published in their history, and that book was a very great story in the Amul. The Amul is an abbreviation of Anand Milk Union Limited. Formed in 1946, it is a brand managed by cooperative body, the Gujarat Cooperative Milk Manufacturing Federation Limited, and the Amul synonymous with butter in India. Amul Butter Girl has been a part of Indian and Amul Butter Girl has been a part of the Indian consumer since 1950. Amul means Amulle started the white revolution in India